Hello, so the next video that I want to talk about, the next website is Seesaw. And Seesaw is basically just an interactive classroom platform that promotes tracking student data, student growth, creativity, and it's just like an interactive journal for students, but families and educators will also be able to see the work. So all you do is sign up for free and log in. I already have mine pulled up, so I'm gonna show it right here. What is really cool is you have these 4 different tabs for journal, activities, inbox, and skills. So right here in the tab, you see that is my name, that is the class that I teach, my school, all of that jazz. Activities are different activities that you can assign to your classes for them to do. So specifically, I chose Seesaw to implement digital citizenship. And so we would use technology. We would use Seesaw to implement digital citizenship in my cat time class. So what I like about the activities is that it goes through all of this series of steps and breaks it down for the students. And so when, like for number 2, it says click add a response to open that activity page. So if you click on add response, I'm going to choose sample student. You have these 4 different tabs that come up. You have the T for text, the microphone for speech to text, which is super important for students that have trouble typing. You also have the camera where you could input, insert pictures, and then you have the more tab to upload shapes and backgrounds and links for all of that. You have different edits over here where you could change the color of your marker or whatever you use. So that is pretty neat. If you go on to the next slides, it will say how is technology used to communicate. So it goes through all of the different slides for the questions for digital citizenship. When the student is done, they just click the green arrow. And you have the option to print the PDF, which will show all of their information and their progress that they answered all of the questions with. So it's pretty cool. What I also really like is this add button. If you click on that and you click on post student work, so the students have different options how they can post their work to your class. They can take a photo of it this way, upload their files, photos and videos, notes, drawing, video, or link. And I like how it gives the visual aids as well. Another thing is if you want to assign an activity, you just click on Activity Library and say I wanted to filter out the grade. It goes from pre-K all the way to 12th grade and literally all different subjects. They even have an entire subject for digital citizenship, which is where I got that video. So after you get your activity, you just assign it to your class and then go back to your class and it's in your activity box. Your inbox is where announcements can be posted. Families, students, everybody can see those. Notifications, you can look and see if anybody has posted any work, so on and so forth. The standards that I thought really aligned with this for educational leaders were definitely 1B, which is ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. And then 2B, which is build on the shared vision by collaboratively creating a strategy plan that articulates how technology will be used to enhance learning. So it's definitely something that I could implement not just with students, but especially with my coworkers as well, so they can see a different interactive technology website that they can use for their classes.